Hello everyone, a very good morning from Changi Airport. It's currently the 10th of August 2025, 11 a.m. local time in Singapore. I'm currently in Terminal 4. I'll be flying back to Hong Kong today with Cathay Pacific CX758. Estimated approach time will be 1:25 p.m. local time, and this flight will be operated by an Airbus A350-900. So yeah, I'll be flying in economy class, of course. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. The aircraft for today is an Airbus A350-900, registered as BLRO, delivered to Cathay Pacific in May 2017. And this aircraft has a configuration of 38 business class lie flat, 28 premium economy class, and 214 economy class. Welcome on board the Cathay Pacific A350-900. This is the economy class lavatory. We have a couple of lavatory on this side, like 3 on the left. This is how it looks like. Very bright, clean, as usual for economy class. Hand gel and hand lotion. Toilet is here. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Welcome on board Cathay Pacific A350-900. Haven't flown this aircraft type for 2 years, so yeah, same big screen, coat hanger. And this is for your gadget and cup holder. USB port also available here. Foldable tray table. Super generous legroom for long haul. And within the seat pocket we have a safety instruction card, magazine, air signals back, and the normal headset. Power plug can be found down here.
CX758 hour flight to Hong Kong. This flight is operated in conjunction with SIN and Cathay Airways. To our member, it's a pleasure to see you again. We are looking forward to taking care of you during your flight. As we prepare to take off, please remember to switch off your electronic devices or set them to airplane mode, just until the no mobile sign is turned off. Your safety is very important to us. May I please have attention for the safety demonstration? Thank you.
家航班前往香港，本航班亦係芬蘭航空公司、卡塔爾航空公司嘅聯營航班。我哋更特別多謝我哋嘅會員同公司卡塔爾航空公司聯營嘅代碼共享航班。在此特別感謝我們的會員，很高興能再次與您見面。
To us. So please take a few minutes to watch the following video as we present the safety features of this aircraft.
離境安全對我哋嚟講非常重要，請用幾分鐘留意呢段短片。
Cabin crew, please prepare door for departure and course check. Thank you. Cabin crew, please carry out a takeoff check, please. Thank you.
delayed slot time and get away due to the weather conditions departing Singapore. As a result, we just did depart a little late. We're doing our best to make up time. Indications are touching down in Hong Kong at 5:40 p.m. and outside the terminal building a few minutes after that. Latest weather we have to hand, light southwesterly breezes. Rather a nice day there. Partly cloudy and temperature on the ground 33 degrees Celsius. Finally, thank you for choosing to fly with Cathay Pacific. It's been a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you on a flight again soon. Thank you. Cabin crew approximately 30 minutes to landing.
Hello everyone. We will shortly be arriving at Hong Kong International Airport. Please return to your seat, adjust it to the right position and fasten the seatbelt. Store your table and store your hand baggage, loose items and luggage.
Cabin crew, please be seated for landing.
Welcome to our home Hong Kong. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt signs have been turned off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items inside might fall out. Please also check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. You may now switch on your personal electronic devices through cellular functions. For passengers with connecting flight on Cathay Pacific, please reserve time for security checks and arrive at the boarding gate at least 30 minutes before departure. The connecting flight information is available from your personal TV or outbound staff on arrival. It's been our pleasure taking care of you today. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World
会
Alliance.
时请小心，以免贵重的行李滑落。下机时请记得带起您所有的个人物品离开机舱。现在您可以随时使用备有通讯功能的电子设备。换乘国泰航班的旅客。
So I'm now in Hong Kong International Airport. Flight was a bit delayed for about half an hour, so we arrived a bit late as well. Overall flight, it was a bit bumpy. Flight was a bit hectic, given that this is an A350-900. Cathay only has one galley for economy class at the back, therefore longer service. But overall, it was still an enjoyable flight for any cruise. Food was not bad, but not the best. But anyways, still a good flight. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.